Hello everyone, my name is Ken Love and I'm a BFA Digital Arts student here at the University of West Florida, and what that means is anything that I can create on the computer, I can fabricate in the real. And that is all made possible thanks to the free 3D programs that we have, as well as the 3D printers, which is the Replicator 2 and the Replicator 2X. With them, I'm able to create fictional cartoon characters or even chess pieces. And we have Skylab staff who are more than willing to help you with any project that you wish to create. So feel free to visit us. We would love to have you.